So today we have a case unboxing, which I will be unboxing this case right here. It is the Commander G42, which actually they don't make, but this is brand new, and I thought is something that I think we should unbox simply because of the fact that the drive bays on this make it pretty much like the perfect case for storing, computer stuff. So I've already cut open the top so I can get into it, but this is basically the full unboxing. As you can see, everything's in there and stuff, but it's just absolutely awesome to be able to finally do unboxings, like in the sense of at least being able to do one for this case. I mean, honestly, the case itself looks pretty cool, at least what it says in the picture or whatever, but it's got a tempered glass side panel and it's looking pretty intense there. So let's see if we can get this out first, because as usual, Thermaltake, which is actually the case that I have back here, the View 71 on my main rig, but this may go towards like a like just basically a hard drive dedicated storage kind of machine or whatever. It just takes a bit to get off. Okay, so there's the box, and it's got some manuals and stuff down there. Let's see what we got inside. We have glass side panel right here. Some nice, or I guess it's a plastic tempered glass panel. Up here on the top, we've got, lots of radiator support. Put that over there. And it has the side mounted single card slot for a GPU. So we don't have a full mounted slot, but for single mounted cards, we have a lot of space. So now is the kind of moment we get to take off this plastic, I think, which everybody's really itching to see. So it's got a single slot to mount. I really wish they would have done two. That would have made it a little bit more nicer, I guess, for current cards and stuff. So just let's take a look. So first off, side glass panel, and let's tip this off because I want to check out what's inside. Let's see. So inside, if I can get this off, which may be a little dusty, but look at those drive bays. My goodness, 3 drive caddies a piece. We've got, drive caddies for days. And we've got like quick releases for all the stuff up here. Like the drive caddies up here, look at that. You can't even get like the Thermaltake compatible ones anymore like that. And that's just like 6 drive bays. Makes it pretty much awesome. I want to see what's kind of in here though. So just looking off the bat though, this comes with, I believe, just one case fan. Looks like just one. But all the front of this is all perforated and stuff as well. And then this also has room for, it's also got different front panels in case, like, I'm assuming this is like for SD card readers and stuff. This is kind of like an older case, and I usually, the whole front is all like, this is all metal. This is all really solid, sturdy construction. And I believe this, what exactly is this exactly? Good question, to be honest. I don't particularly know. I would assume maybe you put it up here maybe to mount the fan on, I would assume. And then we've got starting beeper and some zip ties in here. So let's start by just giving like a round look of everything on here. So first off, starting out, we got some case fans back here, which I think may actually be LED, I'm not sure. I want to check the front of this so you guys can get a nice look of what's on. And it's actually pretty light. Stereo conjunction. It's got USB 3.0 ports on here, audio microphone or whatever, and then it's got a nice kind of spot to put hard drive or CD drives in, and it's all got hard drives up and down here, which I think is actually pretty awesome. And just to look at the top so you guys can see the top, looks absolutely awesome. The buttons on the front have a nice solid click to them. I mean, that's like really nice. And it looks like it's got all LEDs on the front. And if you're curious what I'm going to be using this for, it's actually going to be to build a semi, storage drive, kind of like a big nap drive, I guess, to put all the stuff on there. But as you can see on the back, nice. It does look like it has another fan up here, so it's got one fan up front, mounted up front, one fan in the back, and it looks like it's got radiator support on the top, bottom, and I think there's some room for a radiator there, and I'm sure you could take out some of the drive bays to get a little bit more room right there as well. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed. But I told you guys I got this for 10 bucks. It's pretty awesome. But let's just take a look. Overall, for 10 bucks, man, that is a pretty nice find. And I mean, for USB 3.0, all that stuff, I mean, you can't really go wrong. I mean, to be honest with you, it looks nice, the glass side panel. Or I don't know if it's glass or not, but the side panel on it makes it look, awesome. And, both sides of it, I mean, the thumb screws are really nicely done. And to be honest with you, it makes me curious to see, like, what you could put here, if you could get two out of it or not. It looks like it's just a single slot card, or maybe, no, it's a single slot card. A little disappointing there. I would have been hoping for a, see if we can get this off, though. See what we can get out of this. I don't even know if I have a single slot card to put in there right now. There's a very nice thumb screw though. And yeah, but as you can see, it kind of has just room for one slot graphics card, so if by chance you happen to have one of those, then I mean, that's kind of what you're stuck with. But yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I like the fact that this case, let's see if I can put this in here. If I can get this back on now. Welcome to messing around. There we go. But it's pretty good. I mean, I see that it basically feels like, what you'd expect for, I mean, as a hard drive. I think that's the big thing about this one, is that the hard drives are substantially, a good amount. And I mean, I think this bottom one is built in while this one comes out, I think. But it's all solid metal construction. And for the case overall, it looks pretty dang impressive. If I can stop tearing at my table. So, my encouragement is yard sales. They're a nice thing to grab. And then this now has to find its place in the back with all the other computers and stuff on here. So, let's see if I can just push this in. And there we go. I mean, to be honest with you, kind of impressed. Screws, nice thumb screws, nice construction. Hopefully we will see a little bit of a more interesting case background, and then of course a new system to kind of hold the hard drives and stuff on. So that looks pretty nice. And then this is just chin back here. So there we go. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, which, I mean, it's pretty awesome, then give a thumbs up, and of course thank you for watching, and yeah, goodbye.